side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Tapi bohong.
Hi, my name is Nabila Amelia. Hi, my name is Siti Amina. Hi, my name is Nursipa. Hi, my name is Nadipa.
Hi, my name is Marlina.
Hi, my name is Siti Fatimah Zahra.
A few moments later.
Hi, introduce us from group. My name is Siti Fatimah Zahra and hello, my name is Nabila Amelia. My name is Siti Amina. My name is Nursipa. My name is Nadipa.
And my name is Marlina. Understanding conditional sentence. A conditional sentence, number sentence that contingent upon imagination, proposition, and something that has never happened. The assumption expressed by or may not come true. Conditional sentence consists of independent clauses and dependent clause, which usually start with the word if or if. A sentence that consists of these two clauses can then be called a conditional sentence. However, there are several sentences that call start with when or when. The form of a conditional sentence is if clause plus main clause. If clause is a clause that is part of a presupposition. The main clause is a sentence that contains the consequences of the conditional at the beginning of the sentence. Apart from that, the conditional sentence formula can also be represented to become main clause plus if clause.
Type of conditional sentence. After understanding what a conditional sentence is, you also have to understand the type of conditional sentence. This is so that you can use it correctly according to the existing situation and condition. Because there are many types of conditional sentence, many English speakers have difficulty and are not used to using them. Therefore, see the types of conditional sentence below. With so many types of conditional sentence, there are also various sentence elements present of expression and math more that you have to learn. Of these types have been summarized in one book. Sentence writing, exploration of models, and exercises. Conditional sentence type 0. For the first type, it is actually spelled simple and very easy to understand. This conditional sentence 0 is asked to express a fact with the formula if, then, in Indonesian. For example, if it rains, the road will be wet. If it is very hot, the clothes line will dry quicker, and so on. Both sentences are called conditional sentence 0 because they express a fact that is commonly known to many people. This conditional sentence 0 is actually found in the present tense. Formula: if plus simple present, simple present, simple present plus if plus simple present. Sample sentence. Number 1. If it rains, the road gets wet. This is of course common and people must know this fact. Conditional sentence type 1. Our first conditional sentence is an associative sentence that is used to express when the consequences or result are likely to occur in the future. This can happen because it is still realistic or reasonable for the possibility of assuming that it happens. Therefore, the first conditional sentence uses tenses with simple future. Formula: if plus simple present tense, simple future tense, simple future tense plus if plus simple present tense. Example sentence: 1. If I come home late, I will get in trouble. The condition is the speaker will get in trouble if he comes home late. But if not, then he will not get in trouble.
Conditional sentence step 2 or second conditional sentence is a sentence used to express when the result can come true, even though the possibility is very small for it to come true. Second conditional sentence is very suitable for expressing agreements and reason, even though it may not necessarily happen, it could also become a reality. The second conditional sentence uses would, could, and might, which are used to explain how big the condition will occur, as the formula if plus past tense plus future plus if plus past tense. If I become the president of this country, pay more attention to the education sector. The sentence above expresses a supposition about what the speaker wants to do if he becomes president. He uses the second conditional sentence, meaning he thinks that his dream of becoming president is just wishful thinking.
Type 3. Sentence are conditional sentence that is used when you want to express a conditional that cannot possibly be realized at all. This is because the conditional expression are very impossible at just an imagination. Third conditional sentence that is the opposite of what happened in the past. In type 3 conditional sentence, the past perfect tense is used and auxiliary capital would, should, could is also added. Formula if plus past perfect, future perfect. Future perfect plus if plus past perfect. Example, if my grades were good, I would have gotten a better job. From this sentence, we can know that the speaker did not have good grades during his studies, and he is currently not getting a job that he thinks is